학교로 가요. What does this sentence mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is gayo. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word gayo. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 266. Gayo. Gayo. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is ga, second syllable is yo. Pronounce it with me. Gayo. Gayo. The word gayo simply means go. This is the present tense form of gada. The root verb gada means to go. So when gada is transformed into its present tense form, the da part is replaced with yo. So it becomes gayo. Again, gayo means go. How do you write gayo in Hangul? This is composed of two syllables. Let's start with the first one. To be able to write the syllable ga in Hangul, we need to draw first a gia character followed by an a character. For the second syllable yo, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder ing followed by the yo character itself. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these two syllables to form the Hangul of the word gayo. And that's how you write gayo in Hangul. Now let's try to look into this example English sentence. It says, I go towards the school. Again, I go towards the school. The Korean translation of this sentence is 학교로 가요. Again, 학교로 가요. So, this sentence could be divided into two parts. The first part is 학교로. The word 학교 means school, and we added the suffix 로 to say that someone is going towards the direction of the school. So, 학교로 means towards school or on direction going to the school. And then the second part of the sentence is 가요, which is our word for today. We already know that it means go or the present tense form of 가다. So, 학교로 가요 means going towards school. So, I have mentioned a while ago about the suffix 로. And we have to remember that this suffix is added to indicate that we are going to that specific direction. So, I'm talking about the place wherein we added 로. So, for example, we have the place 학교, and then we added the 로 to it. So, it's the same as saying that you are going in that direction, which is the direction towards the school. So, just remember that we can add 로 to any place. And going back to this, let's just flash at the beginning of the video. We already know by now that the meaning of the sentence 학교로 가요 is simply I go towards the school. And with that, you've just learned 가요. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 256 to 265. But don't forget our word for today, word number 266, 가요, which means go. Now, the first word for our review is word number 265, 효동생, which means younger sister. Word number 264 is 남동생, which means younger brother. Word number 263 is 맛없어요, which means not tasty or not delicious. Word number 262 is 맛있습니다, which means delicious in a formal manner. Word number 261 is 먹었어요, which means ate. Word number 260 is kasoyo, which means went. Word number 259 is nashi, which means weather. Word number 258 is chonneyo, which means good in a surprise manner. Word number 257 is waimnika, which is a formal way of asking why. And then the last for our review, word number 256, chonwahe, which is an informal way of saying call me. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 103. Gajima. Gajima. This is pronounced as a 3-syllable word. The first syllable is ga, the second syllable is ji, the third syllable is ma. Pronounce it with me. Gajima. The word gajima is considered an imperative expression or a command. And this is the same as saying, don't go. Here is just a little bit of background about the origin of the word gajima. If you would remember, this is similar to how hajima is formed. Gajima is just the combination of gada and jima. Gada is a root verb which means to go, while jima is a suffix that negates an action or a root verb. This time, the root verb is gada. Therefore, the meaning of the word gajima is simply, don't go. Now, how do we spell gajima in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable ga in Hangul, we need to draw first a gyok character, followed by an a character. For the second syllable ji, we need to draw first a jiat character, followed by an e character. For the third syllable ma, we need to draw first a miyam character, followed by an a character. And then, we just have to combine the 3 syllables to form the Hangul of the word gajima. And with that, you've just learned gajima. Now, let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 93 to 102. Don't forget our word for today, word number 103, gajima, which means don't go. Word number 102 is hajima. This is an imperative phrase which means don't do it or stop it. Word number 101 is tala. This is an adjective which means to be different. Word number 100 is sonja, and this is the Korean noun for grandchild. Word number 99 is adel, and this is the Korean noun for son. Word number 98 is pumo, and this is the Korean noun for parents. Word number 97 is tal, and this is the Korean noun for daughter. Word number 96 is ane, and this is the Korean noun for wife. Word number 95 is nampion, and this is the Korean noun for husband. Word number 94 is halmoni, and this is the Korean noun for grandma. And the last for our review is word number 93, haraboji, which is the Korean noun for grandpa. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.